Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a 2000 Scorpio Getaway 4x4 for sale in Bangalore, and this is a KA registered vehicle which is completely modified with all Prad accessories installed. This single owner vehicle which is driven 1 lakh kilometers at the moment. So you can just check out the complete accessories. Right now the vehicle is coming out with Prad bumpers in this complete 4x4 bumpers, and we also have bow shackles installed in this. We also have Hella lights which is also installed on this Hella Rally 3000. The vehicle is coming up with independent suspension, 4-wheel drive, radar, 16-inch empty tires have been installed, off-roading rims, electronic 4-wheel is installed in this. And at the moment the vehicle is coming up with original paint at the moment. Very much well maintained vehicle. The vehicle is with all equipped with accessories. We also have a working Snorkel in this, a complete set of range pickup trucks which is at the moment in the market, and the RC is valid up to 2033. Suspension has been completely changed, and also 1 lakh kilometers timing service is also been done at Mahindra. So you can just check out the badging at the moment. It's Scorpio Getaway Mhawk engine, 2.2 liter diesel turbo engine. The vehicle is also having a rock sliders installed in this. Set of 4 tires are radar and off-road rims. You can just check out this, and off-roading bumpers also installed. Roll cage is also installed from Prad. So one of the best feature vehicle from Mahindra in 2018, last discontinued model, which was done by Mahindra. This is called as Getaway 4x4. So here this vehicle is used for camping, farming, and also to carry pickup trucks, quad bikes, and many more features are available in this at the moment. This is a WhiteBoard vehicle, electronic 4-wheel. So right now I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. You can just check out the interiors of the vehicle. The interiors also are very much simple, which is like a Scorpio itself. And this is a 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive, electronic 4-wheel drive, diesel turbo engine. The vehicle is coming up with telescopic steering also. AC is available, power steering is available, power windows are available in this. So you can just check out the back seat also. We also have a dual speakers in this, roof speakers. Very much neat and very much clean. We also have a back AC also available in this. All 4 power windows are available in this vehicle. So this is a cabin. Here you can put all kinds of luggages like farming purpose. You can carry your motocross bikes, supercross bikes, scooters, and also quad bikes, and also you can use it for any other material shifting purpose. You can just check out, they have made a complete closing kind of zip kind of material is being used to close the tub. So this vehicle is coming up with complete independent suspension in this. At the moment you can just check out, this is an independent suspension, 4-wheel drive, electronic 4-wheel is available in this. You can just check out the differential, and back we have a leaf springs in this. So you can just check out the driver side compartment. At the moment the vehicle is coming up with equipped with all telescopic steering, all steering control audio system is available in this. The vehicle is driven 1,700,000 kilometers. Showroom history is available in this. We also have electronic mirrors both the sides. 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive, AC, power steering, power windows are available in this. You can just have a look at the electronic 4-wheel. Very much well equipped vehicle. This vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore. For anybody who is really interested, can contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. The price we are quoting is 10 lakhs, slightly negotiable, 2018 make, single owner vehicle, 1 lakh kilometers done. So please like and subscribe our channel. For more details, WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.